Today we're going to jump into a topic, it's Module 9, and we're going to be discussing algorithms and algorithm development. And the most important thing that I want you to take away from this is that this is a really important way of thinking about problems, and it's a method for problem solving that we commonly see and commonly use in the context of computer science. So if you're going on into computer science, or if you're going on into software development or engineering or a lot of other scientific pursuits, what you'll find is that this way of thinking is very helpful in a lot of different areas. And especially with really complex or overwhelming kinds of problems to solve, algorithmic thinking, while it's not easy to say, can simplify things quite a bit.